How to fix USB keep disconnecting and reconnecting in Windows 10. Below are some tips that may fix USB keep disconnecting and reconnecting in Windows 10. 1. Remove existing Universal Serial Bus Controllers driver, i.e., USB mass storage device, USB 3.0 extensible host controller, etc., reboot your system, and then reinstall your driver. 2. Turn off power saving option for the USB driver. Plan B, at Device Manager select Disk Drives, right-click on the problematic device, select Properties Policies, tab, select Better Performance option. 3. Download then install the official Universal Serial Bus Controllers driver in compatibility mode, as admin. Reboot your computer when the installation is done. 4. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. 5. Check if you installed the latest chipset drivers. 6. Ensure you have the latest version of BIOS and chipset drivers, if available, http://bit.ly/2si3use. 7. Back up your personal date, then roll your Windows back to the older version at Settings Update and Security Recovery. Or, do a test clean install with the latest Windows 10 installation media. 8. Try Windows USB Troubleshooter. 9. Run sfc/scano as admin. 10. Scan for your Windows for potential malware with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.